This is how to trace to find values on a curve on Desmos. So I've got the function that we had used in class, and if you click on a function on Desmos, it immediately shows you a couple of dots which it thinks are important places. There's an x-intercept, also y-intercept, and a minimum point. But if you want someplace else, if you click on the curve, it will show you where the point is located. So if I click in the middle of nowhere, it just lets me drag, but clicking on the curve itself puts a point up, and I can stop and see things. The problem is it's hard to get to exactly the right place. So, like, what is it when x equals 1? It's really hard to, yeah, there's 1.5. That was really hard to get to, just dragging with my cursor. So what you might do is go back over here. I didn't just call it y, I called it f of x, because then I can say, what's f of 1? And it says, oh, that's a half. So I can get the coordinates of this point here if I'm really careful. I could just say, hey, would you please tell me what f of 1 is? Or what's f of 0.8? And it'll do that. It's possible to make tables, which I honestly haven't done in a while, but if you add a table, then here, is it this? F of x sub 1, that was an underscore I did. So x and the underline key, which is like the shift of the hyphen, and then the 1. And if I go down here, I can type in 1 and 0.8 and get a table of values that way. And it thinks I got a pattern going, which, wow, that's kind of nice. That's just enter, enter, enter. So it's dropping points for me so I can see them later. That's also handy. So making a table with plus and then table on Desmos is pretty nice.